Remainder when 2 power 147 is divided by 7. 2 power 157 divided by 7. It's not divisible by 2. 2 is not a factor of this one. 3 is not a factor. Now, so 2 into 2 power 156. 2 power 156. 156 exactly divisible by 3. Now, 2 into 2 power 3. 2 power 3 whole power 3. 5 is 3 2 is 52 is. Now, 2 into 8 power 52. Now 2 into 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 whole power 52. This one like x plus y whole power n. Now expansion of x plus y whole power n. 52 c 0 7 power 52. 52 c 1 7 power 51. 52 c 2 7 power 50. 53 C3 7 power 49 and so on. 52 C 51 7 power 1 plus 52 C 52 7 power 0. Now 2 times of 52 C 0 plus 7 power 52 plus 52 C1 7 power 51, 52 C2 7 power 50 and so on. 52 C 51 7. This term is a multiple of 7. This term is a multiple of 7. 7 power 52, 7 power 51, 7 power 57. So this term is a multiple of 7 plus this value is 1. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 1 2. Now this term is multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Now remainder is 2. Now remainder 2 is the answer. So this term exactly divisible by 7. So what is remainder? 2. One important point. Remainders are in additive nature. Remainders are multiplicative. In nature. Remainders additive nature and remainders multiplicative nature. Remainder can be obtained breaking into 2 parts. Then their individual remainders are added. For example, 99 divided by 7. Now this one breaking into 2 numbers. 90 plus 9 divided by 7. 90 plus 9. Now 90 divided by 7, what is the remainder? 7 12 is 84. 7 12 is 84. Remainder 6 plus 6 remainder. 9 divided by 7. 9 7 1 is 7. Remainder is plus 2. 6 plus 2 8. 8 divided by 7. What is the remainder? 1. Remainder can be obtained breaking into 2 parts and their individual remainders. Directly 99 divided by 7. 7 14 is 98. What is the remainder? 1. Suppose 99 divided by 7. 85 plus 14 divided by 7. 85 plus 14. 7 12 is 84 plus 1 remainder. 7 2 is 14. 0 remainder. So 1 plus 0, 1 is the remainder. Same. Remainders are multiplicative in nature. Remainder can be obtained breaking into 2 parts and then multiply their individual remainders. For example, 99 divided by 7. 9 into 11. 9 into 11 divided by 7. 9 divided by 7. What's the remainder? 2 plus 2. Now 11 divided by 7, what's the remainder? 4. Now 2 into 4, 8. 2 4 is 8. 8 divided by 7. 8 divided by 7, what's the remainder? 1. Next. 99 divided by 7. 3 into 33 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7. 3 divided by small one. Suppose 18 divided by 25. What is the remainder? 18 is the remainder. 18. 18 divided by 25. Remainder is plus 18 or minus 7. Positive remainder plus 18 తీసుకోవచ్చు. Negative remainder minus 7. Negative remainder is same. Negative remainder is subtract from divisor. We get positive remainder. 27. No, 25 minus 7. 18 remainder. Now 26 divided by 25. Dividend is more than the 25. So positive remainder. What positive remainder? Plus 1. 15 divided by 17. What's the remainder? 15 remainder or minus 2 remainder. 17. What's the 17? 17 is greater than 15. So minus 2 remainder. Or 15. 15 dividend is less than the divisor. Remainder is dividend. 15. Negative remainder వచ్చిందంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Subtract చేయాలి divisor నుంచి. You get positive remainder. So minus 2 is the divisor is subtract చేయాలి. 17 minus 2, 15. Positive remainder. So 3 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7. So 2 remainders. 1 remainder plus 3 or another remainder minus 4. Positive remainder కావాలంటే plus 3. Negative remainder అయితే minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Get 3. Positive remainder. So positive remainder తీసుకుందాం 3. 3 divided by 7. Remainder is 3. 33 divided by 7. 7 4 is 28. Remainder 5. 3 into 5, 15. 15 greater than 7. 15 divided by 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14. What is the remainder? Plus 1. 1 is the remainder. Remainders are in additive nature. Remainders are in multiplicative nature. One point. 216 divided by 217. What is the remainder? 216 or 216 divided by 217 and dividend is less than the divisor. So remainder is 216 or 217 ones are 217. 217 ones are 217. So negative remainder minus 1. ఎప్పుడైతే నెగిటివ్ రిమైండర్ వస్తుంది డివైజర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే పాజిటివ్ రిమైండర్ వస్తుంది. 217 minus 1 we get 216 remainder. Suppose 65 divided by 9. Which one is the positive remainder? Which one is the negative remainder? 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 2 remainder. 9 8 is 72. 72 minus 65. 72 65 difference is 7. So minus 7. Positive remainder plus 2. Negative remainder minus 2. Negative remainder వచ్చింది అనుకోండి డివైజర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే పాజిటివ్ రిమైండర్ వస్తుంది. సో 7 subtract from divisor 9. 9 minus 7, 2 remainder. Suppose 213 divided by 212. What is the remainder? 1. 1 is the remainder, positive remainder. Now 211 divided by 212. Now remainder is minus 1, negative remainder. 211 is less than, dividend is less than the divisor. 212 how many times? 1 time. So 212 minus 1 we get a positive remainder 211. 8 divided by 9. What is the positive? What is the negative remainder? Minus 1. Positive remainder is 8. Dividend less than the divisor will remainder 8. Minus 1 or 8. Important point, just memorize it. Now question is 2 power 157. Base is 2. If 7 is closer to 8, 2 cube. 7 is closer to 2 cube. 2 cube equals 8. So 2 power 3 whole power. 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6. 352 is 156 into 2 power 1. Base are equal, power should be added. 156 plus 1, 157. So this number divided by 7. This number divided by 7. 2 cube 8. 8 divided by 7. 8 divided by 7, what is the remainder? Plus 1. Suppose 6 divided by 7, remainder is minus 1. So 8 divided by 7, remainder is plus 1. Plus 1 whole power 52, 1. 1 into 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7, yeah, dividend is less than the divisor. So remainder is 2 or negative remainder 7. 1 is 7. 7 and 2 difference is minus 5. Both are same. 2 or minus 5. Positive remainder is 2, negative remainder is minus 5. Negative remainder వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, పాజిటివ్ రిమైండర్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? నెగిటివ్ రిమైండర్ ని డివైజర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో 7 minus 5, 2. We get 2 positive remainder. So 2 divided by 7, what's the remainder? 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 is the remainder. This is the best one for computational purpose, this method. This is find the remainder. First problem, 35 power 113 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. 35 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. So remainder is minus 1. For example, 47 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is plus 2. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is plus 2. In case 29 divided by 9. 9 28. 28 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27. Remainder is plus 1. 26 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 means 27 is greater than 26. Remainder is minus 1, 91. Now 35 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. So minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 113. Minus 1 power odd number. We get minus 1. Negative remainder. This one is negative remainder. We need to calculate a positive remainder. What is positive remainder? Negative value same child. It is subtract from divisor. 9 minus 1. We get positive remainder 8. 8 is the answer. Next problem. Second problem. 37 power 9. Sorry. 37 power 113 divided by 9. 37 power 113. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Remainder plus 1. So 1 power 13. So what is remainder? 1 is the remainder. Third problem. 2 power 23 divided by 23, not 33. Not 23, 33. 2 power 23, 2 power 33 divided by 9. Now base is 2. Base is 2. 2 cube 8. 2 cube closer to 9. So 2 power 3 whole power 11 divided by 9. 2 cube 8. 8 divided by 9. Remainder plus 1 or minus 1. 9 ones are 9. Yeah, dividend is less than the 9. So 8 is less than the 9. So remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power odd number. So minus 1. It is a negative remainder. What is a positive remainder? So 1 is deducted from divisor. Now 9 minus 1 we get 8. 8 is the positive answer. Positive remainder. Next. 2 power, fourth problem. 2 power 34 by 9. This one also. Your base is 2. 2 cube closer to 9. 2 cube nearby 9. So 2 power 3 whole power 3. How many times 34? 11 times. 33 into 2 power 1. 2 power 1 into 2 power 33. We get 2 power 34. Base are equal. How should be added? 33 plus 1, 34. Now divided by 9. 2 cube 8. 8 divided by 9. Negative remainder. Minus 1 whole power 11 into 2 divided by 9. 2 divided by 9. Divisor is less than the divisor is sorry, dividend is less than the divisor. What is the remainder? Dividend 2. Now minus 1 power 11 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 2 is the negative remainder. We need to calculate a positive remainder. Negative same child, it is deducted from divisor. So divisor 9. 9 minus 2, we get positive remainder 7. We get positive remainder is 7. Next one. 7 power 512 divided by 400. 7 power 512 divided by 400. Question number 5. 7 square 49. 7 cube 343. 7 power 4 into 7 21 2 0 33 2401 7 power 4. Now 2400 when divided by 400 we get remainder positive 1. Yes or no? Now 7 power 4 whole power 4 ones are 4 4 12s are 48 32 128. 7 power 4 whole power 128 divided by 400. 7 power 4 2401 whole power 128 divided by 400. 2401 divided by 400. 406 is 2400. What is the remainder? 1. So positive 1. So 1 power 128. So what's the answer? 1 is the answer. This is 6th problem. 2 power 110 divided by 9. All Chason model already. Chason same model. 2 cube closer to 9. 2 power 3 whole power. 3 3 is 9, 20, 6 18. 336 is 108. 336 is 108. What is the remainder? 2 into 2 square. 2 square into 2 power 108. We get 2 power 110 divided by 9. Now 2 cube 8. 8 power 36 into 2 square 4 divided by 9. 8 divided by 9. 8 divided by 9 minus 1 remainder. Minus 1 whole power 36. 4 divided by 9, remainder is 4. Dividend is less than the divisor, so remainder same 4. Minus 1 whole power even value 1. 1 into 4, 4. 4 is the remainder. 4 is the answer. Next, 7th problem. 4 power 48 divided by 33. We know that 2 power 5 equal to 32. 2 power 5 equal to 32. 32 divided by 33, we get positive remainder or negative remainder. 32 divided by 33, we get negative remainder minus 1. 32 when divided by 33, we get negative remainder minus 1. Now base is 4, 2 square. 2 square whole power 48. So divided by 33. Now 2 power 96. 2 power 96 divided by 33. We have to write 2 power 96 power of 2 power 5. 2 power 5 whole power. Yes or no? 2 power 5 required 32. 2 power 5. 5 ones are 5. 46 nines into 2 power 1. 5 19s are 5 19s are 95. 5 19s are 95. What is the remainder? 1. 2 power 1. Base are equal. How should be added? 95 plus 1 96 divided by 33. 2 power 5 32. 32 divided by 33, you get negative remainder 1 minus 1. So minus 1 whole power 19. 2 divided by 33. Dividend less than the divisor. What is the remainder? Dividend 2. So minus 1 whole power 19 minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. It is a negative remainder. We need to calculate a positive remainder. Negative remainder same chali. Negative remainder subtract from divisor. What is divisor? 33. 33 minus 2. 31. So what is the remainder? 31. Two power 99 divided by 10. Find the remainder. Divided by 10. 2 power 99 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10. 2 square divided by 10, 2 cube divided by 10, 2 power 4 16 divided by 10, 2 power 5 32 divided by 10, no use అండి. 10 తో డివైడ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏం యూజ్ లేదు. అదే 5 తో డివైడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, 2 divided by 5, 2 square divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, get negative remainder -1. మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ 2 వస్తుంది. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా 1 రావాలి, +1 రిమైండర్ రావాలి, -1 రిమైండర్ రావాలి, అప్పుడే మనకి ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 8 ని 10 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే -2 వస్తుంది రిమైండర్. మనకి నెగిటివ్ రిమైండర్ కాదు, మనకి -1 ఆర్ +1 రిమైండర్ వస్తే బెటర్. -2 అంటే మనకి ప్రాబ్లం డిఫికల్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. 2 power 4 16, 16 divided by 10, -4 రిమైండర్, -1 +1 రిమైండర్ వచ్చేటట్టు చూసుకుంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో మనకి 5 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే బెటర్ అండి. 10 తో డివైడ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనకి ఏం యూజ్ లేదు, ప్రాబ్లం డిఫికల్ట్ అయిపోతుంది, టేక్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. సో 5 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే బెటర్ వన్. 2 power 99 divided by 10, question number 8. Now 2 into 2 power 98 divided by 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Important point, ఇక్కడ మనం సింప్లిఫై బై 2, ఇక్కడ 2 తో సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. సో లాస్ట్ రిజల్ట్ మనం 2 తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. నౌ క్వశ్చన్ బికమ్స్ 2 power 98 divided by 5. ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. సో 2 square 4 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, remainder is a -1. So 2 square whole power 2 4s 8, 18 9s 49 divided by 5. Now 2 square is 4 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, remainder -1. -1 whole power 49. So this result is -1. It is a negative remainder. We need to calculate positive remainder. What is the positive remainder? Negative remainder వస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? డివైడ్ చేసి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో 5 - 1, we get positive remainder 4. 4 ఫైనల్ రిమైండర్ అనుకుంటే రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. మనకి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే 2 power 99 divided by 10 రిమైండర్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ రిమైండర్ ఏంటి? 2 power 98. 2 power 98 when divided by 5, we get the remainder 4. అంటే now 4 into 2. Here 2 is simplified by 2. Simplified by 2 from the starting. మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లో సింప్లిఫై చేసాం కదండి, సింప్లిఫై బై 2 ఇన్ ద స్టార్టింగ్. సింప్లిఫై బై 2 ఇన్ ద స్టార్టింగ్. స్టార్టింగ్ లో సింప్లిఫై చేసాం కదా, 2 తో మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. 2 into 4 8. 8 is the remainder. 8 is the right answer. I hope you are understanding. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్స్ అయితే సింప్లిఫై చేస్తామో ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్ మనం మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి, అదర్వైజ్ రాంగ్ ఆప్షన్ అయిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 5 power 5000, question number 9. 5 power 5000, sorry 5 power 500 divided by 500. 5 cube 5 square 25, 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625. 500 తో ఏ నెంబర్స్ డివిజిబుల్ చేసినా నో యూజ్ అండి. 100 తో చేసినా నో యూజ్. ఓన్లీ మనకి 25 తో చేస్తే బెటర్. 25 or 125, 25 or 125 తో డివిజిబుల్ చేస్తే బెటర్. సో